Hey everyone, welcome back to Break It Yourself. I'm continuing on my video series of kind of things from home, ways to help. The last video that I did was about docking stations and how you could have a dual screen setup without paying for a docking station. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check that out. But today's video is going to be about this standing desk right here. So this desk is from Flexispot, and they're not sponsoring this video, and this is not a paid advertisement, but they did send me this desk for free. That will not change my review of it, but they did send this out to me for free. So let me give you kind of my favorite things about this desk. We'll talk about the cost, some of the features of it. I have two standing desks, so I can compare it to the other one that I have from Titan Fitness. Now, there are tons of different standing desks out there, and as I mentioned, I have another brand as well. I really like this maple color of the top. I'm sure you can get that on tons of different standing desks, and I like the gray legs as well. This is a 55-inch version. You have a smaller 48-inch and also a larger 60-inch. The depths vary as well. The height of this, it can go as low as 24.4 inches and as high as 49.2 inches, as you'll be able to see on this little screen right here. I love the controls. Not a huge fan of this giant advertisement right here on this control surface, but it is very easy to use. I'm at 43.1 inches right now. If you want to set one of these memories, 1, 2, or 3, you hit the memory button first, M, and then set it to 1, 2, or 3. I also like that once you press your memory, it just goes. It's very quiet, and I also like that it kind of has a soft start and stop, so it's not abrupt in either direction. This is the 3-stage leg, as you'll see here. So the leg has 3 stages to it. You'll see 1, 2, and 3. My other standing desk also has 3, but it's actually in the reverse order. So if we hop over here, that's Christine working right now, you'll see that it has those 3 stages. And what I like about the Flexispot versus this one is this one you can get dust kind of in all of these and just get junk in there to kind of like gum it up. Well, not on the Flexispot one. As you can see, they face downward. So I like that. Granted, I've only had this desk for a day, so take all of this with a grain of salt. This is not a long-term review. It's kind of a first look at this desk. The assembly of this desk took 45 minutes, and I started out with no tools and ended up switching to a drill to screw this top into the frame because there were a bunch of little screws. Everything else, I used the included Allen wrenches, and it was totally fine. But I would suggest some type of driver to get those screws in. Is going to speed it up a lot, but you can do it by hand. It's just going to take a little bit longer. So mine was 45-minute assembly. The boxes were pretty heavy. Total, this was about 110 pounds, so it's not very light. This is pretty thick steel on the legs here. It has a good cable management system underneath. So these little trays, you can undo these thumb screws right here, take the tray out, run your cables underneath. I didn't spend a ton of time doing this. As you can see, it's a little messy, but not horrible. And I like that a lot because on my other standing desk, it doesn't have any cable management. So I just did it all with like Velcro ties or whatever you call those things. So I do like this cable management as well. I also really enjoyed that this maple top, had pre-drilled holes. Not all of the holes were pre-drilled, but enough of them were pre-drilled to get the top secured on. And it had pre-drilled holes for the controller as well. So if it lets you put it on either side. So you'll see these pre-drilled holes here. So if I wanted to put the controller on the left, I could have. And they had the pre-drilled holes on this side as well. And that's where I decided to mount this controller. Really, my only complaint is this giant Flexispot on this controller right here. One of the cool things also about this desk is that it also has an alarm that you can activate on the controller here, and that is to be a reminder to stand up. So you can set it between, so let's just do it right now. All right, so that's set to 80 minutes, and you can go all the way up to 99 minutes. 1 minute, there we go. So it'll just count. Now we have our timer going. And then it will remind us that, hey, you need to stand up. And you press your 2, you go ahead and stand up. So it's kind of a little gimmicky feature, but I do enjoy it, just for a reminder to, hey, after 30 minutes, 45 minutes, you should stand up. My watch kind of does the same thing anyway. Another nice feature that this one has is that on the bottom of these legs, it has these little adjustable feet, so you can really dial in your desk to be level. So if your surface isn't perfectly level, you can screw or unscrew those little feet. You have 2 on each leg to really dial in this desk and get it nice and level. That's also something that my other standing desk doesn't have. So that is big thumbs up for me on that. I have to say, I would have bought this desk anyway. I was interested in Flexispot. I've tried out another product from them as well, but I really wanted to get a standing desk because I'm working from home, as a lot of you probably have transitioned to do. And we're going to be here, at least in my role, at least 6 weeks. I've already done 2 weeks and have at least 4 more weeks of being at home. The first 2 weeks, my wife was on the other standing desk and I was just working at the kitchen island. Man, I didn't have the right setup. Like, my chair wasn't the right height for the height of the actual surface. I started to get a lot of tightness in my right trap and my right shoulder. And just in one day of getting a legit desk made a huge difference. I understand it didn't have to be a standing desk, but a regular desk would have probably fixed that as well. So I highly suggest, if you're interested in a standing desk, if it's going to be a few weeks, I think it's worth the investment. This desk right now, so let's talk about price. This is the electrical height adjustable desk. 3-stage premium option E5 is the name of this desk. They have it retailing for $420 right now, but you can use CLE80 at checkout and you can save $80. I also have a referral code that saves $15. I hope it's an additional $15. So right now this desk is priced at $340. That is on the high side. It is a dual motor desk, so keep that in mind. I don't know what the going rate is for other dual motor desks out there, but the standing desk that I bought that's back here was about that price. It was in the $300 to $400 range. So if you transitioned to working from home, go check out Flexispot. I'll put a link in the description below to my referral code to save a little bit of money, as well as to this product and even some others of Flexispot as well. You can check them out on Instagram. I'll also try to keep a review going of this desk on Instagram. I probably am not going to do update videos of this desk, but if you want to check out Instagram and kind of follow along, I'll try to do like a 1-week update and keep doing that as I'm working from home each week. Try to give an update on this desk. So far, so good. Assembly was very easy. The instructions were very clear. I didn't really run into any hiccups that weren't my own fault on assembly. If it was just me like not reading the directions thoroughly enough and then messing up. So overall, I give it an initial thumbs up. Like I said, this is just kind of a first look. If you're interested, you're going to be working from home, go out there, pick yourself up a standing desk. I think it's absolutely worth it. Your shoulders and your posture will thank you for doing that. Also, thank you so much for watching Break It Yourself. As always, don't forget to thumbs me up. I am going to take a little aside here. I said this in my last video, and if you've made it this far in this video, thank you for watching and supporting the channel. One of the things that Christine and I are doing to try to help out other people during this time, there are tons of amazing ideas online. One really simple, practical thing that we're doing is we're trying to order groceries for delivery. That's a way that we think we can give other people work. The demand for delivery has gone way up in the past just couple of weeks. My mom went to the grocery store a couple of weeks ago and encountered someone who had just started within the last 24 hours. So people are getting hired at grocery stores. They're getting hired by Instacart and other services for delivery. So even if you have the means or are able to go out and do your grocery shopping, consider ordering groceries just to give someone else a job at this time right now. So that's what we're trying to do, because thankfully I'm employed right now. My wife is employed right now. So we're trying to use our means in order to support other people around us. There's, of course, many other things that you can be doing. That's a really small, practical thing that we're trying to do during this time. So please consider doing that as well. And also, if you have other ideas, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Break It Yourself, and we'll see you next time.